Okay, so this is my first official blizzard in Colorado. And to be clear, a blizzard is actually when there's a lot of wind and reduced visibility. So the wind's calmed down here for a little bit, but man, it's really been blowing. And the funny thing is, I woke up a few hours ago and looked out, and there was a little bit of snow, and most of it wasn't sticking. And I woke up today and was like, what the hell? It wasn't even that long ago. Yeah, the wind's starting to pick back up. The camera doesn't really do it justice, too. I mean, it's just beautiful here. And it's really not all that cold. I guess as long as you're dressed for it anyway.